Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at Beamon. It's a graphical tool for looking at network bandwidth. You simply type Beamon to start it. Now, how much data you're going to see depends very much on how large the screen is. This screen is something like 140 columns by 43 rows, so I have quite a bit of room. You can see we have received and transmitted bytes shown up here, and two graphs down here which don't seem to be showing very much data whatsoever. That's because we're currently looking at the loopback interface. So I'm just going to press the down arrow key a couple of times. So now I'm looking at the normal network interface. We see a lot of activity. Here, data is being reported in bytes, and here in kilobytes, because the units adjust for how much data is coming and going. And currently there's a lot more data being transmitted than received, largely because I'm running this tool remotely. With a large enough screen, you can also bring up detailed statistics. As you can see down here, press D to enable detailed statistics. So I press a D, I get this, and press an I, and then I get even more information. So there's a lot of information displayed on your network connection. If you want a little help, you can press the question mark, and it will bring up a quick reference, and you can read that. When you get tired of looking at it, just press Q, and it will shut that down again. And when you want to quit a Beamon itself, press Q again, and then Y to confirm that you really want to leave. Well, that's your Linux tip for Beamon. If you have a question or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.